In this Wix website builder tutorial, let's take a look at how to view all the sites on your account. So if you're inside of the editor of one of your sites, you're going to need to exit the editor and at least get back to the dashboard. To do that, we'll go to Site and down to either Exit Editor or My Dashboard. Either one kind of takes you to the same place. So if you hit Exit Editor, though, it actually goes back to all of your sites, which is exactly where we wanted to go. So if you hit Exit Editor, it'll take you to the dashboard of your account where you can view and manage all your websites here in one place. So you see all your sites here either in the grid view or the list view. Now, if you're in the dashboard, that's going to look like this. In the upper left, there's a drop down that allows you to see all of your sites here. You can search your sites by name. You can also create a new site from here, and you can also click Go to All Sites, which takes you back to that same account dashboard where you can view all of your sites in one spot. So that's how you can view all your sites here on Wix.